Welcome back, you tech lovers. The world is advancing at top speed, and we get to witness amazing gadgets and technologies that are going to revolutionize our world as we know it. Welcome to Galore Techs. Today, we're going to take a look at the latest innovations from the world of technology. Number 1. Dream communication. Remember that movie Inception where they went deep into dreams? Well, something of that sort has just been made possible by technology now. That's right, communication in dreams no longer just the stuff of science fiction, folks. A breakthrough by REM space has allowed two individuals to communicate in their dreams. Using specialized equipment, including brainwave sensors and dream tracking technology, the first participant received a word during a lucid dream and relayed it to a second dreamer. This experiment marks a huge step in sleep research, with future applications ranging from mental health therapy to learning new skills while asleep. Number 2. Cognify, the future AI prison. Cognify is a futuristic concept where AI governs a prison system, potentially revolutionizing how prisons function today. Imagine an AI that tracks, monitors, and controls every action in a facility, ensuring strict adherence to rules while minimizing human intervention. This kind of tech could dramatically improve efficiency, reduce corruption, and lower operational costs. It will use AI to treat criminals through brain implants and virtual reality to make them feel remorse and empathy for their victims. However, it also raises ethical questions about AI control, human rights, and data privacy, making it a hot topic for debate. Cognify could reshape our justice systems, but it's got to be carefully regulated. Number 3. NASA's LunaRecycle Challenge. As humans prepare to wander further out into space for longer missions, they're gonna have to deal with all the waste sustainably that the mission is gonna produce, including solid waste. So NASA's LunaRecycle Challenge is aimed at solving this waste management issue and how waste can be stored and recycled so that nothing would have to be returned to Earth. This competition invites innovators to develop recycling technologies that can transform lunar waste into usable materials. Successful innovations could support long-term lunar missions by turning garbage into fuel, building materials, or even oxygen. This initiative is crucial for future moon bases and deep space travel, enabling more sustainable and self-sufficient human space exploration. Number 4. Surgery that cured deafness. South African doctor Professor Mashudu Shifularo made history as the first to cure a type of deafness using 3D printed middle ear bones. In 2019, he and his team successfully replaced the damaged ossicles, those are tiny bones in the ear responsible for transmitting sound, of a 35-year-old patient using 3D printed titanium implants. The innovative procedure at Steve Biko Academic Hospital in Pretoria restored the patient's hearing, which was lost due to a car accident. But by precisely recreating these bones, the surgery offered a safer alternative to traditional prosthetics, showing a promise for patients with conductive hearing loss caused by trauma, infection, or congenital defects. Number 5. Neo Beta. The Neo Beta humanoid robot is a groundbreaking creation by Norwegian robotics startup 1X. It's designed to assist with household tasks. Neo is notable for its realistic, human-like movements and its dexterity. Stands at 5.41 feet tall and it weighs 66 pounds. Neo can walk, run, and handle various tasks like unpacking fragile items or carrying up to 44 pounds. Neo's operation is powered by advanced AI and embodied intelligence, which allows it to learn from interactions and continuously improve. It's built to work silently and could revolutionize how we interact with technology in our everyday life, making chores easier and offering companionship for those with mobility challenges. Number 6. Anti-fog glasses. Fogged glasses have been a constant nuisance, especially for mask wearers during the pandemic. Swiss scientists, they've developed a permanent anti-fogging solution that could put an end to this problem. This innovation involves coating glasses with an extremely thin, invisible layer of gold. When exposed to sunlight or even artificial light, this gold layer absorbs heat, creating a self-regulating warming effect that prevents fog from forming. What makes this solution unique is that it doesn't rely on sprays or wipes that require constant reapplication. Instead, the nano coating is long-lasting, durable, and efficient under varying conditions. This technology is even adaptable to all types of lenses, including prescription glasses, sunglasses, and even camera lenses. Number 7. SpaceX successfully caught a rocket booster. SpaceX achieved a monumental feat by catching a super heavy booster for the first time on October 13, 2024. During the test flight, the booster, designed to power the first stage of SpaceX's Starship, made a controlled descent back to Earth and was caught by the company's massive Mechzilla arms attached to the launch tower. The goal of this technique is to make the booster reusable with minimal refurbishment, significantly cutting costs for space missions. Until now, rockets would land on platforms, and those often require heavy maintenance. By catching the booster mid-air, SpaceX moves closer to its vision of making space travel fully reusable and more efficient. This innovation is vital for the company's ambition of colonizing Mars and further deep space exploration. Number 8. Flux AI Images. So Flux AI is making waves with its open source image generation tool that produces stunningly lifelike visuals. Unlike other AI generators, Flux One uses advanced algorithms and training on high-quality datasets, allowing it to craft images with sharp details and realistic textures. Its ability to create such high-fidelity content makes it a strong competitor to platforms like Midjourney. For industries like design, advertising, and entertainment, this technology has the potential to cut costs and speed up the creative processes. Number 9. QSuite Next Gen. Qatar Airways has introduced their latest upgrade to business class called QSuite Next Gen. The QSuite Next Gen boasts movable 4K OLED Panasonic Astrova IFE screens, the first of their kind in the airline industry. It allows passengers to maximize space or enjoy entertainment in a more flexible setup. For comfort, the suite includes larger lie-flat and double beds, enhanced privacy with taller digitally controlled dividers, and a Make My Bed feature. This allows passengers to request the cabin crew to prepare their bed at the push of a button. The AI-powered Sama, a digital human cabin crew, is another futuristic addition, assisting with in-flight services through interactive 3D maps and personalized recommendations. Number 10. 3D printed seawalls. 3D printed seawalls are an innovative solution designed to combat coastal erosion and rising sea levels. Companies like Kind Designs are leading this movement by creating living seawalls using 3D printed technology. These walls are made with recycled marine plastic fibers and mimic natural coral reefs, encouraging marine life to thrive. What sets them apart is their cost effectiveness and speed in production compared to traditional methods. These seawalls also include sensors that monitor ocean pH levels and temperature, making them both environmentally friendly and sustainable. Number 11. Type 1 diabetes seemingly healed. In a groundbreaking development, a woman with type 1 diabetes has been functionally cured after receiving lab-grown pancreatic cells. The cells, which were derived from her own tissue, were reintroduced into her body to regenerate insulin production. This procedure could revolutionize diabetes treatment, potentially eliminating the need for daily insulin injections. Although it is still in its early stages, this treatment shows immense promise for millions of people suffering from type 1 diabetes worldwide, and it could pave the way for more personalized medical approaches. Number 12. Players can build games with EA's new AI-powered tool. EA's latest innovation allows players to create their own video games using AI-powered tools. This technology simplifies game development by using AI to assist in building environments, characters, and game mechanics without needing extensive programming knowledge. The AI helps speed up the creative process, allowing gamers to design complex levels and narratives effortlessly. This opens up game development to a wider audience, potentially creating a new wave of player-generated content that could really redefine the future of the gaming industry. Number 13. Oracle's plan to build nuclear-powered GPU clusters for AI. Oracle is taking a big step by planning to power its future AI data centers with 3 small modular nuclear reactors. These reactors are expected to generate over a gigawatt of energy, essential for running the GPU clusters used in AI tasks. By using nuclear power, Oracle aims to meet the growing energy demands of AI, reducing reliance on traditional energy sources while making its operations more sustainable. Number 14. Tesla's Robovan. The Tesla Robovan was recently revealed at the We Robot event in October 2024 by Elon Musk. This van is designed for autonomous use and is part of Tesla's ambitious future where robots and self-driving vehicles have become everyday conveniences. The Robovan is a sleek train engine-like shape and it has no visible wheels. It can carry up to 20 people and is expected to cater to both commercial and personal needs, equipped with full self-driving technology, but only time will tell if it will ever make it to the production line. So tell me, which development excited you the most? I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more interesting Galore Tech's videos. Thanks for watching.